access, I mean, after finishing the class or whatever, then you are able to, I mean, see the record as well.
Okay, okay,
When you can reuse it, I mean, whenever you need it. But
okay,
it is available for 3 months.
okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. I mean, from now, I mean, from today, I mean, it will take 3 months.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. I'll share the details. I mean, that record. I mean,
okay,
this is automatic recording.
okay.
Yeah. So I'll share you the location of the record, everything after finishing the things.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So today the plan is,
Mm-hmm.
so first we'll prepare the environment. The environment is ready. I'll share with you the environment. I
Okay,
mean, lab is ready for you. I mean, you can reuse it. Only
okay,
thing is, I need to create the account for you.
okay,
Then we need to. I mean, I'll just show you the basic things for today.
okay. Yeah, that is introduction, right?
Yeah, it's introduction and the hierarchy.
Okay, 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 sir.
Yeah, introduction means like why SharePoint and where exactly we'll use it.
Right,
That
right.
comes under hierarchy.
Okay,
Okay. So if you see here, I mean, in SharePoint generally, when we will use SharePoint is generally within the companies. That
right,
means, for example, if you are working for Bench,
right.
it's a company, and the company name will be here. Like this is the Bench company. Okay,
Okay, okay,
and the this is the tenant, I can say. That
okay.
means entire sites will be available within the tenant.
Yes.
Then every company has its multiple departments.
Yeah,
For example, sales, marketing, IT, finance, many things will be there.
right.
Okay.
Mm,
So, I mean, and bench companies like in Bangalore, one bench company is there,
yeah,
and in US, one more bench company is there.
yes.
Totally different. The purpose of the bench is completely different in US. Some places, Japan, it is different.
Okay,
So what we'll do is like this project is, maybe I'll call it as, this project is for some Chicago bench
okay.
branch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So every company has its own departments.
Right.
So the hierarchy is like this. Here is the tenant. I
Mm.
can say tenant. You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes,
Okay. Here is the tenant. That means
right.
bench is tenant,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, we can uh, tenant means, what I want to say is like this product is from Microsoft, right?
Right.
Generally, yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, I just created as SPFX components. I mean, I just gave it a name.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of SPFX component, generally your company name will be there.
Okay, okay.
Everything under this tenant only available. Like
Okay, okay, okay.
this is the main hosting site.
Yeah,
Within that, you will get multiple site collections.
okay.
For example, uh, as I told you, this is the main host and Chicago bench, and
Mm-hmm.
here something like India bench
Okay, okay, okay. I can understand.
and maybe China bench, like
Mm-hmm.
that. Multiple site collections will be there.
Right, right,
Okay, so main thing is bench,
right.
and then within that, I can say multiple site collections. As I
Right,
told, like bench India,
right.
uh,
China, Chicago.
China, like that. And every company has its different branches. For
Mm-hmm.
example, China, I'll take, it's a site collection. I'll call this as
Mm-hmm.
site collection. You can stop me wherever, I mean, since it is initial stage, I mean,
Okay,
if you're confused anywhere, you can.
okay, okay, sure.
Yeah, this is the tenant,
Mm-hmm.
and this is China, is the China branch is the site collection.
Right.
And we, as we discussed, these are the departments. Okay, every department I'll call it as something like subsite.
Yes. Website.
Marketing is one subsite, IT is one
IT.
subsite,
Yeah.
finance is.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, these are just for understanding. IT
Okay.
department,
Okay.
finance,
Okay.
like.
Okay.
Okay. So the hierarchy is like this.
Okay.
Tenant, that means we have taken uh, rent from Microsoft.
Right.
We have multiple site collections.
Mm-hmm.
India, China, something
Yeah.
Pakistan, Sri Lanka. So,
Yes.
and within the site collection, multiple subsites will be there. For example, China has 3 subsites. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And India has, maybe India has only sales.
Yes. Yes.
So I
There's a one.
can, yeah, I can call this as sales and it is a subsite.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right.
And within the subsite, actual data will be there. And also within the site collection, you'll get data. That
Okay.
part we'll see it, I mean, in the live.
Right.
But this is the hierarchy.
Yes. Understood.
Yeah. Now I'll just give you the hierarchy. Get tenant
Yes.
and site collection.
Then subsite.
Site. Multiple subsites.
Right. Right.
When you can see multiple site collections
Mm-hmm.
and within the site collection, multiple subsites.
Yes. Just India bench, India, China, then California.
Yes.
This is a ten site collection.
Yes.
No, this is. I'm right.
Yes.
Okay.
Tenant is the company's main thing. Like,
Okay. 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 Bench.
okay. Yeah.
Bench.
And site collection, I'll call it as India. I am giving the example for India.
Okay. Okay. We
And
can say this is a branch.
one branch.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
And you will see same thing maybe for China.
Mm-hmm.
It may be different subsites.
Right. Right. Right.
Accounts,
Mm-hmm.
uh, pre-sales,
Okay.
and maybe banking. Like,
Okay.
because different branches, different like purposes will be there.
Yes.
Some places, I mean, the same thing will be there, so they will maintain it the same site collection. I mean,
Okay.
if the purpose is same, then we don't need to create it.
Okay. Okay.
Hope you're able to understand
Yes.
that.
Yes. Understood.
Yeah. So I mean, for creating the tenant, we need license, those things. I mean, I have done it. I mean, it will take long process. I mean, we need to contact Microsoft and
Okay.
we need to pay the license. Everything, it is a different. I cannot show it because
Okay.
it will take almost, sometimes it will take 5 days like that.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but as a developer, I mean, you have, I mean, only 3 years, right? Generally, the technical leads or architects will create the tenant. I mean, we don't, I mean, work on this tenant part,
Okay. Okay.
but we will work on site collection part.
Mm-hmm.
So, generally, in tenant means this is the URL.
Okay.
I'll show you the URL. See here, this is the company name
Mm.
and admin hyphen admin will be there. That is called tenant.
Okay.
Now let us create the site collection.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So before that, I'll create a user. I mean, these are all admin part. I don't have your details, so I didn't create it.
Okay. And can I tell you?
Yeah, I'm just filling the form.
Okay. Okay. SNGITA.
TA.
Yes. Not THA. TA. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
SHAW.
this is, I mean, generally we don't uh, work on this part. These are all admin related things.
Okay.
When you join in the company, they'll give you these details.
Okay.
So I'm just sharing in the Teams chat.
Okay.
And I have to give the access.
Mm-hmm.
First, I will create the site collection. Then I'll just create the site collection. Then I'll assign this account to the site collection so that you are able to access that.
Okay. And what about that Office 365 account? That is a
This
user.
is the account I have created.
Okay. 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 Okay.
I mean, I just created, right?
Okay. Okay. User. That.
Yeah, your account.
Okay. Okay. My account. Okay.
Yes. So how to create the site collection is like we just need to go to admin. I mean, here is the app launcher.
Okay.
How you will, I mean, move is navigation is just need to go to this URL. Okay.
Okay. And login password. Just
Enter. I mean, it is already, I mean, logged in. So single sign on. So it is not giving. But for you, it will ask you.
Okay. Okay.
The account details. I have to give the permission. I'll give you when once it is done.
Okay.
So you have to log into this account. Then click on app launcher. This is the app launcher. Here you can see all the Office 365 apps.
Yes.
So here you can see admin.
Admin.
Yeah. Just click on admin. And click on show all. You can see bottom SharePoint.
Right.
Click on it. And here you can see sites.
Active site. Okay. This is a we create site collection.
Yes, the process for
Site
the site collection. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then click on create. Here you can see, I mean, multiple templates will be there. I mean, as per your, I mean, your requirement is like workflows, info path, many things are there. No, the suitable template will take it.
Okay.
That will be available in other options. Click on that. And here you can see more templates.
Okay.
Just click on it. So it is the process of creating the site collection.
Site collection.
Yeah. Just need to give the site collection name as we discussed. Maybe I'll give like bench. Yeah. Here multiple templates will be there. Team sites we are going to create this one. Blog means, for example, sometimes companies blog they need it.
Right.
So generally we don't use this SharePoint for blogs, but there is a template. Okay. Developer site means sometimes the people like only our, like we are developers, right? So only developers need to, I mean, sometimes they will develop some apps in SharePoint. So apps means they will, I mean, you know, in your mobile, I mean, maybe contact app. Like,
Yes.
yeah. So many apps are there. No?
Right.
So we can create the apps, I mean, using SharePoint also. If we want to create apps, then we'll go for developer site.
Okay.
So sometimes our company has its own projects, like multiple, I mean, let us say HP company is there. Hundreds of projects will be there.
Yeah.
So only for managing the projects, if we want to do it, then we'll go for project site.
Okay.
So sometimes only communication purpose. These kind of things, I mean, these are the templates. But finally we need to write the code, or I mean 50%, 50%. I mean, it supports the requirement.
Yeah, based
Basically,
on our requirement, we just select the template.
Yeah. So for now, I mean, as per your requirement, team site will be suitable.
Okay.
I will tell you, I mean, why, I mean, if I show it to you, then you will be able to understand.
Okay.
Then this project is for, I mean, which company, which region,
Amazing.
timelines, we will just select it. For us, it is Chennai, so I gave it. I'm giving my name as admin.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the allocation, like the data allocation, like
Okay.
sometimes in your system, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, you will segregate it, right? C drive 100 GB, D drive
Right,
something.
right.
In the same way, in I mean, we may need to take 1 TB of data for SharePoint.
Okay.
For here, like 300 MB for now,
Okay.
like 500. Like initially, we will give by default 300.
Okay.
Later, by default, it increases. There is
Oh.
no issue about the sizing part.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically, we need to, I mean, if we increase the size, I mean, if we increase the data, automatically size will increase.
Okay. Synchronized.
Yes, but this is the default.
Okay. 300 is default.
Yeah. So what we gave is the project title, URL, what exactly we need to give it.
Okay.
This is the, I mean, this is the URL, I mean, we are going to access it.
Yes.
Which language? You can
English.
have 26 languages,
Yes.
whatever the language.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, then the template.
Right.
These are the time zones and admin and the size quota.
Okay.
You are clear about it? Any?
Yeah.
Okay.
No doubt.
Okay. Just its navigation. Just we should know, I mean, how to create it.
Mm-hmm.
I just clicked on OK.
Okay.
I mean, it takes just 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes.
It comes here whenever it's created.
Yeah, this is the if I select any one of the URL, what
Okay.
is the can you click?
I mean, these are already I have created it.
Okay.
Previously, I have created it.
Okay.
Generally, I'll create and delete it because
Okay.
too many, it takes data, I mean,
Right.
size and everything, right? And
Right.
confusion also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That first one is right now you create that first one, right?
Right now, I have created the site collection.
Yes. Site collection.
So, here is the tenant. Give you the site collection now.
Okay.
Just refresh it. Still, it is creating.
Right.
So, this will become the site collection.
Right. Now we create subsite.
Yeah, we need to create the subsite under Benj India.
Yeah.
Because the hierarchy is like within the site collection, we need to create
Right.
subsite.
Yes.
Tenant, site collection, subsite.
Yeah.
Tenant has multiple site collections. Site
Right.
collection has multiple subsite.
Yeah. Clear.
Am I going fast or slow or?
No, it's fine. Now
Okay.
it's fine. Not an issue.
Okay. We cannot create the subsite without site collection.
Right, right.
It won't take much time, but mostly 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So in SharePoint, generally the SharePoint will be useful for within the company employees, like
Okay.
intranet portal. Intranet means the employees, I mean
Yes.
the working employees for that organization only can access these sites.
Yes. They can access
Yeah,
as per their requirement.
yes. So we need to develop based on their requirement. But SharePoint is for the purpose of like communication purpose, teams. Sometimes employees will be there like maybe HR team.
Okay.
All the HRs will be maintained one site. They will do, I mean, collaboratively if they want to work on within the HR department, then
Okay.
they will go for team site, which we have created.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, HR means like maybe uh, recruitment.
Yeah.
They will like
Create
uh,
like
offer letters, then exit policies.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, leave. Then many are like hikes,
Okay.
reviews, performances,
Yeah.
many things. Those everything they will maintain in the HR portal.
Yes. Site collection created.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. This one.
So then just take this URL.
Okay.
See, this is the team site template.
Yes.
So we'll call this as a site collection.
Right.
And within the site collection, we need to create the subsite.
Website.
Yeah, I'll explain in detail, I mean, in the next class, but I mean, if you just navigate to what is tenant, what is site collection,
Yeah.
I mean, initially, if you just watch what is happening
Okay.
and what exactly it is, then you will, I mean, it is very easy for you.
Mm.
Next class, you will get, I mean, little bit knowledge on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay.
we'll create subsite.
Right.
I am going to create the subsite under the site collection.
Okay.
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 So subsite I'll take maybe pre-sales.
Okay.
So now I'm in site collection. So how to create subsite is just click on here. You can see
Settings.
settings button, screw
Right.
button. Just click on it.
Mm-hmm.
We will call it as site action also sometimes. Site
Okay.
actions.
Site action. Okay.
Yeah. Settings are site actions.
Mm-hmm.
Then click on site contents.
Contain. Okay.
Yeah. Here you can see new. Under new, the last thing is subsite.
Yeah. Website. Yeah.
Yeah. Just click on subsite. Here, okay, right? Site actions,
Yes.
site contents. Click on new. Then,
New and subsite.
yeah. So we'll give pre-sales as my title,
Pieces.
and
Right.
URL will
Right.
be pre-sales. Same English, classic experience. I mean, previously we have created the same thing. Same
Right.
permissions I'm going to take it. Same means whatever the site collection has permissions, like whoever is going to access these site collection, the
Mm.
same users will be able to access the subsite also.
Okay.
That comes under one more topic, that is permission part. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll explain these permissions one more. I mean, it takes 1 hour time.
Okay.
Creation of this is just title, URL, template.
Okay.
So same permissions means, for example,
Parent site.
Benj India has 100 employees. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So 100 employees are accessing this, and for subsite also I am going to give all the 100 employees
Okay. That is a permission.
permission. I mean, I am giving the access to them by default.
Right.
There is one more thing, unique permission. That means
Restriction.
when India, yeah, 100 employees are there. Out
Okay.
of that, pre-sales only 10 members are there.
Okay.
I mean, that is completely different department, right?
Right.
So sometimes we will maintain unique permission. That means
Right.
we will give unique permission, and those 10 members will access this subsite. Other 90 members cannot be able to access this.
Okay.
You got it? I mean,
Yes. Yes. Unique permission. Yes.
yeah.
Clear.
Same means, I mean, everyone can access.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
a site collection.
No
Unique
restrictions.
only that department.
Right. Right.
So display the quick launch on the parent site. Display the top link.
Yeah.
I'll show you. This is the quick launch. This is
Okay.
the top link.
Okay.
Whenever I create it, if I say yes means automatically this link will come top and also left side.
Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, just for navigation purpose.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So if I say inheritance from the top, I mean parent
Right.
side. Inheritance, here I have 3 links, and subsite I have only one. So subsite all these 3 plus one more link.
Okay. That is parent.
Yeah. Like permissions,
Right.
the navigation also it comes.
Okay. Okay. We can modify that navigation
Yeah.
part.
Yes. So I am just creating it. Any doubt on this part?
No.
Okay. I mean, this is one topic actually, navigation. Permission is one more topic. 1 hour it will take. But
Okay.
I'm just, as of now, I'm just giving glimpse on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Create.
Okay.
Subsite.
So see now, I mean, I just gave like pre-sales.
Right.
Pre-sales as my top link, so it is available.
Right.
And left hand side automatically home it. I mean, this is the
That is
pre-sale.
parent.
You can see the top. I mean, the link which is showing here.
Yes.
I'll just assign here.
Yes.
Pre-sales URL
Yes.
list.
Yeah.
Quick launch also it is open. I'm just see here. This
Yes.
is the site collection link.
Right. Right.
As I told you, I am just inheriting the top links.
Right.
When I click on it, I'm going back to top link.
Right. Okay. And what about that edit links?
What is that? Sorry.
Edit links. Pre-sales. After pre-sales, there is a edit link, right?
I mean, we can add the links.
Okay.
Yeah, that is one topic as I told you.
Mhm.
Like these are all topics. I mean, I can add my own link.
Okay.
Maybe test. Okay.
Okay.
You can give the link.
Yeah, we can easily add the link here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Simply you can edit it.
Right.
Maybe. You just need to save it. That's it.
Right.
So this is one topic actually.
Okay.
We'll go one by one. Like
Okay. Initially, this is the today's session for a.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, everything is like one session.
Okay. And this is a SharePoint version. Can I know the version?
I mean, this is the SharePoint 2013.
Okay. That
as
is
we discussed, 13 and online. Both
Okay.
are online. and 13.
And can you please tell me what is the any difference? What is the difference between that 2010 and 2013? Any difference? I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there is a difference.
Yeah.
I mean, the lots of upgrades was happened. Actually, SharePoint
Okay.
was, I mean, it was the users and the companies was taken in
Right.
between 10 and 13 only.
Okay. Okay. Because whatever that my project requirement is 2010, but it's
Mhm.
fine, not an issue. If I go for a
I mean, you
updated,
don't,
yeah.
you will get more features on 13.
Right.
I mean,
Right.
by
Right.
default, you will learn 2010
Yes. 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 Okay.
and little bit extra features you will learn it.
Okay. Okay.
Better to take 13.
Yeah. 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 And latest one is 2019.
2019
Okay.
16, I mean after 13 16 2016
Okay.
and then 2019,
Okay.
and parallelly online means Office 365 account.
Okay. And
It's
two.
online.
Okay. 2019 is much more upgraded one, right?
Yeah, that is the latest, I can say.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you want to learn 19, then I mean you have to learn basics, like at
Yeah.
least
Yeah.
13 you have to finish it.
Right. Right.
Then later you have to learn many things, like after completion of all these things, then
Okay.
SPFX, many things came up.
Yeah. Yeah. Basic. This is a basic thing. After that, I can.
Yeah,
These things are first. I should grab first.
yeah.
Then.
Otherwise, I mean, if you go directly, then
No. 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 Just.
understand.
Yeah. Yeah.
But why I'm going here is like 13. I mean, as we discussed that demo session,
Right. Right.
told me the details, right?
Right.
So that's why we are going by this way.
Yeah. Yeah. Not an issue.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is a site collection.
No, this is
Sub. No.
pre-sales is
Subsite.
sub.
Right. Subsite.
I'm just copying here subsite.
Right.
Okay, you can see the difference. Tenant, after
Yes.
tenant site collection,
Yeah.
after site collection subsite.
Yeah.
Okay, only the, I mean the difference is you can find it in URL itself.
Right.
Till here tenant,
Mm-hmm.
from here uh, site collection,
Mm.
after that subsite.
Right.
Then the next one is we need to create the list and library. I can create list and library within the site collection. I can create here also. I can also create
Okay. That's subsite under subsite also.
under subsite also. Anywhere, I mean, we can create it.
Okay. What is a
So
list library?
yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
So generally, if you go to, I mean, do you have any idea on SQL Server?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm working
Okay.
on that. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in SQL Server, generally we will create tables, right?
Right.
So in tables, I mean, metadata is different. That means
Right.
columns.
Right.
And data, like, I mean, metadata we'll see like columns, what type of column it is. I mean,
Yeah.
what
Right.
based on the data we'll, I mean, select the type, like
Right.
it is nvarchar,
Yeah.
string,
Yeah.
everything, char, boolean, everything will be there, right?
Right. Right.
And later we'll finalize the data. So for, in the same way, as a table, here it is list. I mean, if you,
Okay.
I mean, just compare with the SQL Server.
Mm-hmm.
In SQL Server, we'll call it as table. In SharePoint, we'll call it as list.
List.
But
Okay.
SQL Server, little bit, I mean, we need to,
Create.
I mean, we don't have, we need SQL Server software. Here,
Yes.
directly SharePoint, user can create it.
Yeah. Yeah. You already showed me in that demo class.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Generally, I'll show you.
Yes.
Then the second one is library.
Yeah.
Library is for the purpose of documents, images,
Okay.
videos, audios.
Okay.
It's basically for the content.
Okay.
Content means we'll call it as pictures,
Right.
audios, videos.
Yeah.
These three, I mean,
Documents.
it can, I mean, like office documents like
Yeah.
Excel,
Yeah.
EOCX, PPTs.
Collection of
The,
documents.
yeah, content, we'll call it as content. That is the
Okay.
right word.
Content. Okay. Okay.
Within the content, I mean, we can say content,
Okay.
we can say images, audios, videos, and docs,
Okay.
whatever the docs related to, any docs,
Right.
PDF, anything.
Mhm.
So if these type of content is there, then we'll go for library.
Okay.
Let us say I need to create a employee list.
Right.
What exactly it is, like employee name, employee ID, salary,
Yes.
department. This is metadata, right?
Right.
Then we'll go for list.
Okay.
So I'll create the list and also library in site collection directly. So for creating a site collection, I'm just taking the URL. Okay, I'm in site collection.
Okay.
Then again site actions, then site contents.
Right. Right.
Same way like how we have created subsite. Again new. Here you can see
Yes.
list and library, document
Okay.
library. List will create list first. Just click on list and then we will give the name as employees. One point here is not, I mean, best practices do not use special characters and spaces when creating
List.
sites,
Okay.
lists, whatever.
Okay.
Like anything better first while creating initially, do not give space and special characters.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, I can create like this.
Yeah.
I'll show you that. Maybe first I'll create with space.
Okay. But why this is not a good practice?
Yeah,
Space.
I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
That's why
Okay.
I'm just creating with space.
Yes.
I'm just creating now.
Okay.
See here, the URL is this.
Oh, space
Instead of
because
space,
of the
it is
space.
giving
Right.
percentile 20.
Right.
Problem, I mean, it is not a problem, but
Mm-hmm.
when we'll see it is sometimes, I mean, as a developers, we will think that I just gave employee info.
Right.
I mean, in code, we will write like this.
Right.
When we don't think much when we are developing, right?
Right.
So we'll give like this.
Right. Right.
So, I mean, we'll get errors.
Right.
So when we are creating itself, if we, sorry, I'll create without space now. Employee info. Employee details without space I gave it.
Yes. Yeah. Right now it's
See
yeah.
here,
URL.
there is no, I mean, it is perfect.
Right.
But for seeing, I mean, for end users, it is
Yeah.
not looking good.
So edit.
So, yeah, we just need to go to list setting. This is one more class actually. And just,
Okay.
yeah, just go to, wait, here is the list, right? Just go to actions, list settings,
Yes.
and then list name is there.
Yes.
Just give space now.
Yes.
if you save it, you know breadcrumb, right? In
Right,
.NET,
right, right, right.
yeah, this is the breadcrumb for SharePoint. Automatically, we will get it.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on it.
Yes.
See here, URL is same.
Yeah.
I mean, there is no space.
No.
And the look and feel is like just title is perfect now.
Right.
I mean, both are okay now. So the process is like just while creating, just give without space. Later, you just edit it.
Okay.
So that is the best way. Maybe later, I mean, when you are practicing,
Mm-hmm.
give special characters.
Okay.
For space, percentile 20, it can
Yeah,
do.
yeah.
For special characters, it is different. I mean, that
Yeah.
the symbols will be different.
Okay.
Just try for it. I mean, when you are doing. Okay.
Okay.
Then I am going to create library.
Yes.
Again, go to site actions,
Yes.
site contents.
There is
Click on
a document
doc.
library.
We can call it as HR documents. Show in site navigation means, I mean, this left navigation.
Okay.
Just create it. See here, automatically it came.
It's a
Yeah. Again, you just go to, it is, I mean, there it is list settings. And here it is library settings.
okay.
Go to title, change, click OK.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
HR. Everything is perfect.
Right.
Clear these things?
Yes. And one more question I have.
Yeah.
Um, If we first of all we create more than one library. Okay.
Yeah.
We can create.
Yes. We can
Okay.
create multiple libraries, multiple lists.
Okay. So if we go with that library, if I will restrict some, I restrict to that HR document library to particular person.
Yeah,
Can
those
it be
things
possible?
we can do it. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Those are, I mean, that's what I'm saying. List is one class.
Right.
Library is, I mean, list maybe list or library will take totally three classes.
Okay.
I mean, combining we will take list and library because same
Yes.
features will be there, bit difference.
Yeah.
So we'll go both, and it will take 2 to 3 classes.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's there is lots of things are there.
Okay,
So
okay.
and as you said, I mean only specific documents for. I mean, for example,
Particular,
if it is a policy document,
right.
only head HR should be able to edit it.
Yes.
So those kind of things, I mean, comes under permission. As
Okay.
I told
That,
you, I mean,
yeah,
permissions.
that
Yeah,
permission part.
yeah, those it
Okay.
comes under permission.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
here we have to give item level permission. Item means the document.
Okay.
So we can give library permission, site permission, folder. I mean, we can create the folder also here.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Folder level, I mean, I'll create folder.
Mm-hmm.
Within the folder maybe 100 files I will keep it.
Okay.
Only that folder I can give permission.
Okay.
And then we can create one PPT. Only those, that PPT is available for only one person. That is
Okay.
called document permission, document level permission.
Yeah.
That comes under permissions class.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So it
So,
is, you can
yeah,
create multiple lists, multiple libraries. You can give permissions like item level permissions also, we can do it.
within this is a under I think that is a
We have created under subsite.
subsite. Yes.
Sorry, not 1 second.
Yeah,
Bench India is a site collection.
site collection. Okay, okay.
Yeah. We can create the pre-sales also. Pre-sales is a subsite.
Right, subsite. Yeah.
Yeah, we can, I mean, I'll just create a list.
Yeah. Same. We
Same
can
way.
same
Yeah,
thing. We can do under this.
yeah. Just create. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Same thing.
Same process.
Okay.
Only thing is you have to come to subsite.
Right. Right. Right.
So what I'll do is I'll just give the permission. I'll make it as your, I mean, your name as admin.
Okay.
So just uh, maybe I'll do one thing. See, we have documents here.
Okay.
I'll just upload the document which I have just generated,
Okay.
so that I mean you can see that. I mean, whenever you need it. Record thing. I mean, maybe tomorrow morning I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So first, what you need to do is just I am just giving you in chat. I gave you the URL.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you please access that URL with your credentials?
1 second.
Maybe if you want, you can share your screen.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. 1 second, please.
Sangeeta, you are using Teams app or web?
Web.
Okay, okay.
Mm, Okay. They need that my Skype ID and all things.
Gave you initially, right? Those
Yeah. Yeah.
credentials.
Yes. Yes.
I'm sharing again in the chat.
No. No. 1 second. I share my screen. So
Yeah.
can you see my screen?
No, it's not sharing with me, I think.
Already shared.
Okay. Please unshare and again
Okay.
share.
Okay. Right now, can you
Yes,
see my screen?
slowly. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Password not remember. 1 second, please.
No, I gave the password.
Okay. 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 That password I.
No, one more. Just a minute. Just close
Okay.
the
Okay.
tab.
Yeah. Yeah. One thing I. 1 second.
You just open with the URL which I gave you.
Yeah.
Then I gave you the username and password.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Use that.
Okay.
No, Sangeeta dot SPFX components dot on Microsoft.com.
Okay.
Can you
Oh,
take
oh, yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. That
yeah,
is.
yes. Initially you have to reset the password.
Okay.
I mean, this is the first time, so
Right, right. Because that is auto-generated.
yes. No, you have to give without your name, maybe your location name, like
Okay, okay, okay.
yeah, Bangalore at something. Character upper string, then special character and
Okay,
number.
okay. Combination of upper character.
Yes, upper small
Mm.
special character and numbers. At least eight characters.
Yes,
Okay.
that is.
Not required.
So,
Okay. Again, click on. I mean, just again open in the new tab and uh, give the URL.
no. This one.
Yeah, same URL. SPFX component.sharepoint.com sites Bench India.
Okay.
Just try it now
Right,
again.
right.
I mean, actually, you have to click on skip for 14 days.
Yeah, that is.
That we missed it.
Yeah, yeah. So, skip for now 14 days until this is required. Can I click?
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, right. No, it's fine.
So now you are able to access site collection, subsite.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
only
I
yeah,
can create website, site collection,
site
all the
collect
things.
site collection you are not able to create it.
Okay.
Subsite list and library you can
Okay,
create it.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh, Wait 1 second. I'm just giving the access to admin level also.
Okay.
Maybe 1 or 2 days for this site collection and for creating the site collection.
Okay.
Okay. So I am giving the admin center URL. Can you
Okay.
please try to access it now?
Right. This one, SharePoint.
No, HTTPS SPFX components
Admin.
hyphen admin dot SharePoint.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Skip it. Yeah.
Yes.
1 second. I just gave you access. Maybe it takes few minutes or
Sure.
just a minute. Sangeeta, can you try now?
Okay.
It takes some time. I mean, reflecting it.
Okay.
Okay,
No access.
Sangeeta.
Okay, I will try after 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe after 10 minutes, I mean, you will be able to access.
So I can create that site collection, right?
No, subsite,
Subsite.
list, and library.
Okay, right now subsite, list, and library. I can
Yes.
create. And
Yes.
whenever I access that SharePoint admin, then I will create that
Site collection.
site collection. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Only pending is site collection access.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Yeah, even if you did not get it, then next class that 5 minutes I'll give. I mean, from my side, because only once you are going to create it.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah. If you have any doubts, I mean, we'll close for today.
Yes,
So
yes.
if you have any doubts, you can.
Right now, I don't have any doubt. But
Oh,
what is my task and what is the
yeah. I mean, 1 second. I will share you the screenshot.
Okay,
Okay, those screenshots, I mean, just try to implement it.
okay,
The task is like you have to create the subsite, list, and library.
okay,
And I'll give you the hierarchy. That image I'll give you.
okay, okay, okay,
Based on that image, you have to create the subsite. I mean, you are able to create only site collection, subsite, list, and library, right?
okay,
Same
yes,
thing, I'll give you the task. I'll give you the
okay,
image through email. Based on that picture, just try to create it.
okay. So
I'll
you
share
will send me
you.
a mail, right?
Yeah, I'll share you
Okay,
within 5 minutes.
okay, okay, not an issue. And anything, no, whatever you told me, it's fine. I can understand. Okay.
Okay.
Other than that, anything required for from my side? Any I can study anything this regarding that SharePoint or
Yeah, please. Even if you have any doubts on when you are reading or something, then you can contact me also.
okay, okay. Today I don't have any doubts right
Yeah,
now, so I just go through that things,
yeah,
and if I have any problem, then we will.
yeah. You can just ping me in WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, okay. No,
Yeah.
I don't have your number.
Okay. Yeah. I will share it with you.
Okay, okay,
I mean, I'll just say hi to you in your
okay, okay,
WhatsApp.
okay. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks. If yeah, I same time 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah. It is. I scheduled a meeting repeatedly, so every day. I mean, you will get email.
Okay. Yeah.
So we don't need. I mean, it's a automatic email.
Yeah. You
Till the
said
end
that.
of the classes, I mean 7 o'clock, if any changes, I mean if anything like in your if you want to any time changes, then
Mm.
we need to change, otherwise automatic time, I mean
Okay.
schedule meeting is there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.